The tour module has been added in Drupal 8. Let me do a quick demonstration of how it works. I'm going to go to Manage, Structure, and Views, and I'm going to just go to the Edit for the content view, and I'm going to minimize the toolbar here. In the upper right-hand corner, there's a tour button now. If we click that, we'll get a step-by-step tour of the interface. So this first screen is telling us more about this page. We can click Next, and it points to individual elements of the interface and explains what they're for. And we can just go through the process of learning more about each item in the interface. The tour module supplies an API that allows contributed modules and themes to create their own tours. So it's kind of a way to build in contextual help inside of the interface. For interfaces that are particularly complicated, like the views interface, this can be a great way to get introduced to the structure of the page. All right, I'm going to go back to the extend page, and I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to scroll down on the Drupal 7 side too.